Hi viewers, today we will see nursing care of patients with arterial line. I am Kalaiselvi Xavier, Triple M College of Nursing. At the end of this class, the students will be able to define the arterial line, list down the indications and contraindications of arterial line, sites used for arterial line, equipments and positioning, special consideration of arterial line, what are the nursing care of patients with arterial line, and how to remove the arterial line and complications of arterial line. What is arterial line? You would have seen many patients with arterial line in ICU. When the patient is inotropic drugs, okay, the patient's BP is not stable. It is not measured by digital and manual measurement. So the invasive method is used to measure the blood pressure directly and accurately with close accurate titration of blood pressure medications. Okay, it is like thin catheter that is inserted into the artery. It is otherwise called art line, a line. What are the indications? The first indication is continuous beat to beat blood pressure measurement because the patient is unstable being in the ICU with the inotropic drugs, or the patient is undergoing major surgery. After that, they will be connected the arterial line. Then the continuous ABG analysis. The patient with respiratory failure, on ventilator, or severe acid base imbalance, the patient is on arterial line. The third one is the patient with vasoactive medication, and when the patient is unable to obtain non-invasive BP. What are the contraindications? The contraindications due to collateral circulation, Raynaud's phenomena. Yeah, conditions in which some areas of the body feel numbness, cool in certain circumstances, and also thromboangiitis albiterans. Because of this condition, smoking related conditions, the results in the blood clot formations in small and medium sized arteries and less commonly veins, and brachial artery insufficiency, and the infection of the site, the patient is having trauma to the proposed site, and excessive, the patient is taking anticoagulations. What are the sites for arterial line? The common insertion sites is radial artery. Other arteries are brachial and femoral arteries. What are the articles needed? The main articles are the major PPE and the arterial pressure tubing, pressure cable, pressure bag, the flush NS 500 cc, sterile gown, towel, glove, the suture materials, silk to a line needle, chlorhexidine swab to clean the area, mask, transparent dressing tape, cable to connect a transfusion monitor, arm board, towel roll, the anesthetic agent, scissors. Position, this is a position used for starting arterial line. The radial artery, the most common insertion site, the arm is restrained, palm up with an arm board to hold the wrist dorsiflex. This is the ideal diagram when the arterial line is connected to the patients. From the hand, radial artery, by help of the Allen's test, the radial artery is identified and the tube catheter is inserted. Then the transducer is connected. From the transducers, one is connected to the fluid, one is connected to the cable. With the help of the module, the whatever the readings and captured from that artery, it is displayed in the screen. This is the transducer connection. You can see here how the arterial cannula needle and the continuation of the transducer. From that, the two tubes, one is the cable connector and the other one is a IV fluid tubing, which is connected to the 500 ml saline with the heparinized with the pressure bag. This is like the transducer is connected in the bedside in the stand, how the cable is connected to the patient's side. What are the special considerations? Inject no medications. Okay, here the arterial line is, we should not give any injection in the arterial line. Inject only with heparinase saline. Okay, it's because it is prone to spasm and stop blood flow. Never force the line, especially if the line appears to be clotted. If the clot forced also, it may travel on down the limbs. Okay, it causes blockage of circulation. So never force the line. Check all the connection frequently because the disconnection may result in rapid loss of large amount of blood. Okay, then we have to check frequently. Check the site of insertion including assessing color, temperature, edema, movement, capillary refill, leaking, discomfort and pulse. What are the other nursing care? Nursing care mainly directed to preventing complication because the insertion site is visible at all the times. It may not be possible in femoral sites, arterial line. So early detection of the disconnection and leakage to be very important. The maintain patient dignity. All connections must be secured with Luer lock to prevent accident disconnections. To ensure that cannula site to cover with an appropriate dressing to maintain asepsis, place a label readings like arterial line next to the sampling three-way tab to ensure correct identification of the arterial line. Never inject anything into the arterial cannula or arterial line. Other nursing care. Ensure that flush bag has adequate fluid. Only use 0.9% sodium chloride. Ensure that pressure in the pressure bag is maintained 300 mm of Hg. Don't allow the flush bag to empty. Always you have to check each shift. When the shift changing also you have to reinsure. Check whether the fluid is fully there. To maintain patency of the arterial cannula, prevent air embolism, to maintain accuracy of blood pressure reading, to maintain accuracy of fluid balance chart, to prevent backflow of. Other nursing care monitor color and temperature of the limb distal to arterial line and compare to other limb. To confirm that circulation to the limb is adequate, early detection of impaired circulation, monitor and display the arterial waveform at all the times to detect cannula disconnection. Re-zero transducer once per shift to ensure accuracy in measuring blood pressure. Explanation to the patients and relative about patient conditions and when you are starting the arterial line. Maintain the transducer level with the patient plymphostatic axis to ensure accuracy in measuring blood pressure. In patients with ICP monitoring, it is appropriate to level the transducer to the tagus of the ear. Change the transducer set only when the cannula is resited to reduce risk of infections. These are all the important nursing care to maintain the neurovascular assessment. 5 P's: pain, pulses, pallor, paresthesia, paralysis. Pain, check the pain in the extremities of arterial line. Pulses, check for collateral pulses and capillary refill. Pallor, check the hand whether it is a nice pink or the other paleness or cyanosis. Paresthesia, sensation, numbness, tingling to be watched. Paralysis, movement of the extremities. Other nursing care, saline bag should be changed daily and the tubing must be changed 72 hours or according to the hospital guidelines. When drawing blood from an arterial line, always waste the first 10 ml. This blood is hemodiluted and will not give accurate results. Use a sealed blunt cannula. Turn the stopcock off to the saline bag so it is open between the patient and the port. Draw blood tubes without additives first, then tubes with additives, anticoagulation profiles and ABGs. Remember to zero the system after use and flush with saline to clear the tubings of when to remove the arterial line, how to remove. Verify always with precision before removing the arterial line. Check the coagulation studies PT and PTT prior to removing the arterial line. Keep the tip sterile in case of culture is needed. Apply direct pressure to the site for at least 15 minutes. Then apply a pressure dressing to the site. Checking the bleeding, hematoma or bruising is very important. Continues to assess the 5 P's: pain, pulses, pallor, paresthesia and paralysis. How to prevent the complication of the arterial line? Complications are confusion with the venous line, hemorrhage, infection, loss of waveform, catheter movement, blood backup into tubing, loss of waveform, loss of circulation distal to site. Preventing measure: clearly label tubing as arterial, alarms routinely check connector, label dressing, careful sampling, immobilize the extremities, secure catheter to skin, pressurize system, patient blood pressure, spasm versus thrombus may need to be disconnected, use continuous flush system. Thank you. These are all the references which are here referred.